Hey guys! Today's craft is a super easy DIY miniature Hello Kitty inspired pet bed. As always, a huge thank you to those of you who share your crafts with me. I really enjoy seeing them. And kids, do be sure and ask a parent for help before starting this craft. I start with a thicker craft foam, round the edges on a rectangle, then cut out another strip of craft foam to go around. I score lines to create an indentation in the front, and cut. Then glue one side at a time. Then I Google an image of Hello Kitty, copy it to a Word document, print, cut, and glue to the front. Then add polka dots of acrylic paint for detail. While that's drying, I use more thick craft foam to create a bow. Then add polka dots for detail. And when dry, I add some fuzzy fabric and my bow. And guys, you are so totally good to go. Well guys, I sure hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks guys!